The picture in the thumbnail is the picture of the actual vinyl record. It's just that I put a flash in that picture. So this one is really dusty, but also the dust sticks to the surface. I cannot blow it. It's just because the vinyl is charged with static electricity, and that's most of the times because someone tried to whip the vinyl with something that could contain like a cloth that had plastic, so it's not a full cotton cloth. And actually the best way, you see how it's sticking, so any acrylic, anything, even those dust, small things that remove the dust, those are really bad idea. Never wipe with anything that contains plastic fiber. So what I do is simply I have this is distilled water, and I just prefer, because it's really inexpensive and it does not leave any kind of residue. And also, if there are finger like prints on it on a vinyl, or sometimes could be food, you know, previous oldness, maybe 7% alcohol, a little bit of it, but that's just when it's dirty, like it's from your hand or grease or anything. Otherwise, what I want to use is a full, and make sure it's full cotton, a small towel like this, full cotton, and a little bit of water. This one doesn't have marks from fingers, so it's really just dust on it. I'll try to take a picture, because the picture with the flash, it's revealing much better the results. Again, the picture in the thumbnail is the actual picture that I just took with the flash before wiping the thing, the surface of it. And yes, this works. And also it appears that it kind of removes the static electricity. Maybe it's just my impression, but just distilled water and 100% make sure it's full cotton, and maybe not something dirty, like something. Sometimes it's actually a good idea, when you purchase cotton small towels like this from the store, just wash them first, because in the factory when these are manufactured, there are residues, chemicals, they are being treated in just the process of manufacturing. So maybe if you just wash them like laundry wash, but make sure you rinse them really well, and then it's better to start using them. So let me just take a picture with from this angle, and I'll give you, perhaps before that picture, let me just remind that the sleeve would be plastic, would be paper, also does contain dust in there. There was dust in there that was sticking on the record, so maybe just blow. I will just open it like this, you just blow it with my mouth. That's just kind of trying to do. You just take a picture from this angle and see the results.